Nimekaa hii hospitali siku 6. Na walai bili nazidi kuongezeka, walai.
Whoever did this must pay for it. Na nakwambia tukimshika mwalimu hivi, he will set as an example.
I know my son. Sasa
if you want to see your mom alive, you'll do everything that I'm telling you.
Vijana, kesi yako inaendelea hapa na wewe unakula miwa in my court.
What have you gained? And you can't do your neighbor and ask him, what have you gained?
and the person who did this to you lazima talipa. Amevuka mipaka.
The case is closed.